Okay, you did well with the beginning. Now we're going to go for a second section. I'm going to show to you very slowly. First, we're just going to play it. Play octaves. Play the same notes in the bass clef. Both hands play the same note. G, G, B, flat, B. G, F sharp, F sharp, A, C, E flat, D. Do you think we can play this one more time? I don't know if we should just move our hands here. G, G, B flat, B flat, G, F sharp, F sharp, A, C, E flat, D. G, G, B, B, G, F, F, A, C, E, D, G, G, B, B, G, F, F, A, da, da, dum. Should we do it one more time slowly? G, G, B, B, G, F, sharp, F, A, C, E, D. G, G, B, B, G, F sharp, F, A, C, E, D. Very good. That's one section, and the second section, we're just going to go back to that same pattern that we had in the beginning. Let's see how we're going to do it. G. Let me just play it for you first. Da, 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 da. How should we do it easier? Da, 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 bum, bum, bum. Da, da, dum, ba, da, 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 bum. Bum, bum, ba, da. Let's do it together. So the left hand, B flat, E flat, D, D, A, G, B flat, E, D, D, A, G, B flat, E flat, D, D, A. And the right hand plays G, G, B, B flat, G, F, F sharp, A, C, E flat, D. Can we do it one more time? G, G, B, B, G, F sharp, F sharp, A, C, E, D. So what we're going to have together, G, 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 B, B, gamma, ba, da, 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 and then G, G, B, B, gum, ba. G, G, B, B, dum, ba, da, da, dum, ba, da, dum, ba, ba, da, bum, bum, ba, da, da, bum, ba, ba, dum. Something like this. And then we're going to continue. Okay, have fun practicing. Bye.